Let's use examples to help identify when there are subject-verb agreement problems in your sentences. In a sentence, the subject is who or what the sentence is about. It's usually the noun that does something. And the verb is the thing that explains the action. So in the sentence, Jonathan goes to the office each day. Jonathan is the subject, that is also a noun. Office and day are also nouns, and goes is the verb. The rule is that subjects and verbs must agree in number and person. So in the Jonathan sentence, there is subject-verb agreement because both the subject Jonathan and the verb goes are singular. Let's check for agreement in a more complex sentence. The proposal for the new computer program, which outlines many options, have confused some people. In the sentence, the proposal is the subject and it's singular, but the verb have confused is plural, so there is an agreement problem. Here's a tip. The phrase, which outlines many options, may have caused some distraction, so always watch out for sentences where the subject isn't directly next to the verb. They can cause some trouble.